All right, so walk up the stairs and you've got your front door right here. Great location, not too far from Main Street. You can slightly hear the highway, but just barely. Plenty of room out here for some sprucing up. It is definitely needed, but plenty of room for patio and chairs, dining table, grill. Got a little heat lamp out here. And then I'll take you in the home. A nice open main floor plan, so stairs right up. And over here we have coat closet. It's pretty large, goes all the way back here. All right, I'll keep taking you through. So, kitchen here to the left, timeless finishes. Looks like newer cabinets, black appliances, including a gas stove. And there's a back patio here. More space for the kids to run around and play on the other side of the home. It is nice and quiet back here. Nice French doors. Good sized living room. Don't have tons of furniture in here right now. You could easily fit a sectional. And over here, got the first bedroom or office. Tons of cabinets in this kitchen as well too. All right, then over here, we've got laundry room that you can close off. It looks like they're still doing some work throughout the home, so these aren't on right now. But you can close that off if you wanted. There's another little seating area here as well because this comes up from the garage. So huge 2-car garage with plenty of additional storage in here. And these stairs go down toward the lower level of the home, which I'll show you that in a little bit. Here's your main floor bathroom. Extra cabinet here. Stand-up shower. All right, so that's the main floor. There's one bedroom, one full bathroom, kitchen, dining, living. Now I'll take you upstairs. There's 3 more bedrooms. And the master. Right at the top of the stairs, there's another closet here. It's the main floor bath. Or I'm sorry, the upper floor bathroom. Double vanity, toilet, and shower with tub. And another closet. You've got 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. Large closet. There's a king-size bed in here. Carpet appears to be in good condition. There's the next bedroom. They've got a queen size in here. Beautiful wood detailing. a 3rd bedroom. Large closet here. They've got 2 twins set up in here, but a combination of different options would work. So we've got the main floor bedroom, and then these 3 bedrooms, and then here's the master bedroom. So they've got a queen size or a king size bed in here. They've got a large walk-in closet. And then the master bath. It's all vanity. Nice shower enclosure. Toilet. Lots of natural light throughout this entire home. And then another linen closet, which is pretty good size. So all in all, there's 4 bedrooms up here. You got the master, another bedroom, 2 more bedrooms, and a bath. So I think the floor plan up here would work great for the kids. And I will take you downstairs. Floor plan down here is a bit interesting. When you get to the bottom of the stairs, you can either walk through a bathroom and another office bedroom, or this way, which is through another bedroom. Another large walk-in closet. And then second living and second kitchen down here as well. Then we've got the mechanicals, more storage. I believe this is some more mechanicals. So even though you're in the lower level, there's still lots of daylight down here. So this is the other room that could be a bedroom, could be more of an office. You see there's the driveway there. That's up to the front door. Another decent sized closet here. And another little mini bedroom. And then this hallway leads you up to the garage. And then the top of those stairs is the laundry room on the main level there. So 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 on the main floor, and then 3 down here, depending how you want to look at it. But tons of space. Home does need a little bit of work, but it looks like they are working on that right now. They're finishing up some loose ends from what I can see. Yeah, and then here is that last bathroom too. So full bathroom on each level with the main bathroom for the master upstairs. So there's 2 on the top floor, 1 on the main level, 1 on the downstairs level. It's a large home. Definitely fit a few families in this home all at the same time. That's it. Let me know what you think.